Okay, I just want to say everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. Everything is fake and everything is AI generated. Today we're going to be doing a rook. Now, we're not going to be using Pump.fun because this is oversaturated. So what you want to do is go to this website. I've been using this website for the last 4 weeks. It's been working good for me. So I recommend that you use this because it's got the lowest fees. But when you're on this website, you want to go to create your token. Now, you want to create your token. So just give me like 2 minutes. Let me think of a token idea. Breda's wife. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this. Now guys, this is going to be a full live video, so you can watch all of this to the end. And you can see I'm not faking anything. This is 100% legit, 100% real. So we're just going to copy this, put it here. Okay, nice. So come here and just like that. Okay, nice. And now for the supply, you see the decibels is 9. You want to do the same, so 1. So when you have the one there, you want to put 9 more decibels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. So it's going to be 1 billion. Come down here, select your description. We're just gonna make some random description up, or we can copy their description. Okay, so nice, we have the description now. You wanna select this? Well, it's optional, but just for me, I'm going to select it. This isn't actually a real website. I'm just putting some random shit just so it makes my coin more trustable overall, so I get more investors. Yeah, and for the social tags, I'm just going to, this is optional, but I'm gonna add this so we get more investors. Because if they see this, then it just makes it more trustable. So I'm going to copy their website and I'm going to copy their Twitter also. Okay, now we come over to the investors booster. Now it's called this so the website doesn't get banned or whatever, but pretty much here is where we can remove the liquidity of the coin. Now, because we're making the coin, we're going to be owning most of the coin. You know, even if we put $100 into the coin or $50, we're still going to be owning most of it because we are making the coin. Now, you've got to select these so you can remove the liquidity. Now, with this, you can also revoke mint and revoke update and revoke freeze, which pretty much, it freezes their money so they can't take it back out. Keep in mind, we've got $700 in our wallet now, and let's see how much we make afterwards. But yeah, you want to click launch token here. There you go, click confirm. Now you just want to wait for the website to load. This shouldn't take too long. Okay, as you can see, congratulations, your Solana token space successfully created. Okay, so as you want to go into your wallet, scroll down, you can see that your token's here and you're currently holding 1 billion of it. Okay, so now we got to create the liquidity pool. So now you want to click on liquidity pool here. You know what? Double tap onto liquidity here, click create. You want to click standard AMM, click create. There we go. Okay, so now that you're on Radium, click into your profile. Make sure you're logged in. I'm going to come down here, click onto your token, click on the 3 dots, click onto view on Solana, the network. If it doesn't, then you want to click onto this token address. You want to click copy. When you're ready, you want to come here, select this, make sure it's selected as Sol, and then for your top one, you want to come here and you want to get your token address as I just showed you, and you want to select it right here, put it right here. And then you want to put your name. So mine was Brunette's wife, whatever. There we go. Add user token. And then you just want to select that. There you go. Okay, so now here you got to listen carefully. So here's where you decide how much of the liquidity you want to own. The current liquidity we can make is 1 billion, but we want to own quite a lot of that. So we're going to own 100 million of it, and we're going to send the rest, the 900 million, to the liquidity pool. So you want to click 900 million, just like this. There you go. And then this will leave us with 10% of the coin. So, we can dump on them. Very good with that. And then for your soul, here we're just going to put, the more you put, the more you can dump. But for this example, I'm just going to put 4. So I have 0.5 left. And if you're using less, like 1 sol or 2 sol, then I recommend putting your fee high to like 4%. But because we're using 4 sol, we're going to put our percentage fee to, so now we want to initialize the liquidity pool. Now, as soon as you click this, that means people are ready to buy in. Okay, so click initialize liquidity pool. Okay, nice. So your pool is created successfully. You want to click on got it. And then you want to go over to portfolio standard. Now you just want to wait until your pool has arrived. It's going to take a couple minutes, but as you can see here, we're holding 100 million. And if you want to check in the wallet, There we go. We're holding 100 million. All our money is in the Bernardo right now. Okay, nice. So you want to go over to your, with your address, you want to go to Dexscreener or any platform. You want to click on some random token, copy the link out. Okay, there we go. Now you just gotta wait until your token appears. Now this shouldn't take longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and then your token should appear on the market. Okay, as you can see, our token is on the market, Bernardo's wife. Now, if you want to scroll up, we added the liquidity here, 900. Now, we are getting a few buyers. This is, most of them are snipers, some of them are real, but, they bought and they sold. Okay, now we're just going to wait and see how it performs. Give it between 5 to 10 minutes and before it actually does hit the market, because these are just snipers. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it starts picking up motion. Okay, guys, so it's been nearly 10 minutes now. We have 17 buys and 6 sales. It's doing pretty good. Oh, someone just bought 180 bucks. What the fuck? Bro, I don't fucking know this guy. Okay. We're gonna rogue play. Okay, I think I'm gonna rogue it. So, you wanna come here? Let's just refresh one more time. Make sure everything's... Oh, 8, okay. 6.7 soul. You wanna click remove liquidity. Now just wait. Click here. Okay, 6.7 soul. Oh no, blah, blah, blah. Confirm. Remove liquidity. Now, this is probably gonna go to nothing. Okay, now this is gonna go to nothing. Let's see. It's gonna say remove liquidity because we added that 900 here. Now it's gonna say remove 900. Okay, there we go. Remove 500 million. Okay, nice. Now, if we come here, see our profits. Nice. We are on $1,000. So from 700 to 1,000, that's, it's quite a decent amount of money. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the support and stuff. This video, it's not going to be some flashy, crazy edits. It's just going to be a nice, chill video. We're just doing a little rogue pull. But yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I won't go like, I won't go subscribe, and much love.